Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're showing you how to make coin bags as a DIY project. What we need is a cutting mat and an ironing surface. We're using the 2-in-1 portfolio by Omnigrid. 2 pieces of fabric, one of woolen cloth and the second of cotton. You can download the pattern on our website 123dreamit.com. Remember, you can only download it by using a computer. A piece of cotton of 3 by 10 inches. And a piece of Velcro. Scissors. Universal needle. We recommend using the Schmetz brand. Dressmaker pens. Standard foot. Thread. Pins. An iron. And a piece of fabric or ribbons of 1 by 2 inches. Okay, so the first thing we're doing is folding the cotton fabric to the half, with the right side to the inside, and sew the edges as we show you. Leave this side stitchless. We're sewing with a straight stitch, leaving a ½ inch of space to the edge. Don't forget to backstitch when finishing. Now we're turning to the right side the fabric by the stitchless side. Then we're ironing the fabric to flat the seams. Now we're forming the center of it, and we're adding the woolen cloth to form a hair bow. Place a pin and sew it, joining the woolen cloth. Now turn it to the right side. The hair bow we're using to decor is ready now. We're placing the pins as we show you and putting the hair bow between the marks. So now we're placing the cotton fabric with the wrong side facing us. Then we're pinning everything to sew it, and we're letting an open space of 2 inches. In here, we're sewing all the edges with a straight stitch. Now, we're removing all the pins and making notches to the curved side. That way, the curved side will have a perfect finish. Then, we're cutting corners and turning everything inside out. And then, we're ironing everything to flat the seams. We're closing the stitchless side with an invisible stitch. Now we're sewing the Velcro so we can close the coin bag. Remember, the soft side of Velcro goes with the woolen cloth. This one is to open and close the coin bag, and the other side of the Velcro goes with the cotton fabric. Then, we're folding everything to give shape to the coin bag. So finally, we're sewing the sides with an invisible stitch. And it's complete. Enjoy your new skills and give little fabric coin bags a try. If you're a YouTube subscriber, don't forget to visit our website 123dreamit.com. You can find the link in the box down below, where you can find many categories and sewing hacks. Please do hit the thumbs up button if you learned something new today. And remember, practice makes better.